Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily enable safe mode and diagnose problems on the Motorola Moto G42. So, at first we need to enter the safe mode. To enter the safe mode, at first we need to hold the power button when our system is booted up. Here you should see the menu, which we have here: emergency, lockdown, power off and restart. We have to hold our finger on the power off button, and here, as you can see, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all further party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Now we have tap OK here, and now our phone will be restarted. So let's wait a moment now. Now, as you can see, we are in the safe mode. Here we have, as you can see, this label with the black background, safe mode. And now only system applications work. Here now we can diagnose our phone. So for example, we can unlock it, and here we can do some stuff. For example, we can here open the applications, close the applications, we can check if the applications work, change some settings, check if the application are crashing, just everything that you want to diagnose. For example, if your phone is lagging and here it doesn't, it means that it's some third-party applications. If you, for example, have some issue with the application, which is the third-party application, and this application is crashing your phone, from here you can uninstall this application. You can just do everything that you want. Here now you can exit the safe mode too. And to do so, we have to just hold the power button on our phone. You should see the same menu as earlier, and you just have to tap restart. Now our restart should be rebooted to the normal mode. Let's wait for a moment. As you can see, now our phone is in normal mode. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!